we've done the dumbest thing yet.
Yeah.
So we bought 7 of these shit boxes, and judging from the title, you probably already know what we're gonna do next. So buckle up, enjoy the shit show.
Enjoy the shit show.
The plan is we're gonna take these cars, we're gonna fix them up, we're gonna make a little profit, and if everything goes right, we're gonna use it for some upgrades on the HQ.
Yeah.
If everything goes right.
And the boat.
We bought everything sight unseen. All we know was E36, 6-cylinder,
And
7
that's
of
it.
them.
7 of them.
7 of them. That's all we needed to know. That's all we needed to know.
Take our money.
And take our money. And now we're here.
Yeah.
These are all used drift cars.
Yeah.
I mean, look at them.
So how bad can
Pretty
it be?
used stuff. But yeah, I don't know. We're gonna see how many of them drive, what we can do with them. We're gonna load them up on the trailer and give them a quick wash back at the HQ.
And see
I don't know. We'll see from there because
We have no plan. Again.
as usual, yeah, we didn't plan anything. We just
We just bought it.
buy them. So yeah, we're gonna load them up and we'll see you back at HQ.
Kom maar door. Oh.
How are you liking it this far? You enjoying it?
Best purchase so far.
What's wrong? Is the
This is the
defective?
This is the how do you call this? Individual. This
It's
is
individual.
blue, white, and green at the same time.
Comes with grass.
The headliner, or this is just an E36 thing.
Oh yeah, this is it. This is what we do it.
Niemand. Waarom denk je dat ik eruit ga?
We hadden een duikvest moeten meenemen, dus een zuurstofmasker. Oh, er zit er ook bij.
Doe dan maar die deur dicht.
Wel een hele diepe trap.
Deur jongens, echt niet te hard.
Hoe vond je zelf dat gaat?
Goed. Iedereen is gewoon langzaam.
Iedereen is langzaam.
Inclusief jij.
Hup, hup, hup.
Nee, is niet kielen. Hier zitten de ramen dicht, hè. Het is gewoon de sauna.
Heb je al spijt van je levenskeuze?
Nee joh, ik het nooit.
Wat is dat dan voor moois? Is dat de telefoonhouder?
Dit is telefoonhouder. Ik kan gewoon bellen.
Yo, kom maar.
Ja, dat is wel...
Je kan die kant ook.
Okay, so while the boys are hauling back the last 3 ones, we have one little extra cherry on top. We have this immaculate, absolutely immaculate 318IS. Oh yeah, there's this tiny thing. The engine is seized up, or so he told us. So yeah, I thought why not add this one to the collection as well.
Buenos dias.
I heard you like E36's ship boxes.
Yeah.
So I brought another one.
This is good.
This is the cherry on top.
Yeah.
I figure 6 isn't enough. you know?
Literally the cherry.
This is the cherry on top. This one's the best. This is best by far. It's mint. Immaculate. Alright, so because I'm trying to be more responsible, I figured I'll go the safe route and I'll buy a spare car, a spare chassis in the same color, you know, play it safe, be responsible. So I got a donut car. And another one. And another one, just in case. But I wonder what happens if it breaks.
Another one. Another
And just in
one.
case.
Another one.
If that one breaks, we have this one.
Another one.
Just to be sure, absolutely
Another
sure.
one.
In case the oil filter breaks.
And another
I got
one.
this one. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what's the plan? What are we going to do with these 7 ship boxes?
We don't know.
I don't know. Do you?
No.
Alright, so, no, we do have a vague idea of a plan. So, this was an absolute bargain. We got these cars, all 7 of them, for 4,000 euros. And the goal, or the idea is to, well, the idea is to clean them up, flip them, and from the profits we make on that, we're going to upgrade the garage. We're talking lifts, we're talking parking lifts, we're talking dirt bikes, boats.
Yeah, that's shop upgrade.
Yeah,
Just boats.
just only the vital things, but the things we really need,
Yeah,
like a speedboat.
essentials, yes.
Essentials, like the important stuff. So, as you can see, these aren't just any E36. This is the best of the best. Full option, everything
Some
you
of
can
them
think
are,
of.
no joke.
Some of them really are. Like parking sensors, one of them even has a telephone holder. Like, this was top of the line some 30 years ago. Alright, so, I don't know, that's pretty much it.
Maybe show them a bit what we have.
Oh yeah.
The next day.
So, we're starting with the best one of all.
Yeah, because we are really responsible sellers.
Impatient.
No, we are really
Impatient.
responsible sellers. We need to make sure the car works before we sell it.
This has nothing to do with...
Yes, and because this
Okay.
is a drift car, we need to make sure it drifts. Right?
I'm pretty sure it does.
No, you can't know for sure.
There's a little hint here.
We're gonna make this one run, drift it.
You gotta give it a wash first. Because
Give it a wash, oh sorry.
The smell in here
Yeah,
is...
I'm breathing through my mouth.
We're gonna stress test it.
Stress test it.
The GRAUSLICK seal of approval.
GRAUSLICK seal of approval. Should
Yeah.
be easy.
Alright, let's get to it.
A few moments later.
Oh, 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 oh. We got something. Bruv, it's mint.
Oh, that's nothing.
It's pretty much
It just
brand new.
Went up in value.
It's brand new.
Give it some life. Oh!
Alright, we cleaned up the engine bay a bit. It's looking pretty good. And we got a new fuel pump.
Yeah.
And
New.
Mark also needs to get a new one now.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Maybe show them the old.
Oh yeah, that was mint.
So, we just started unbolting things, and then we found the issue pretty quickly.
This can get dirty, no problem. It's used to it. POV, you're a Mark's car.
Niet zo, hè?
Okay.
It actually feels really good.
Why?
Wat, kijk dit!
Voor steering wheel cover.
Those are my racing gloves.
Ik ga echt tot het laatste moment wachten om die deur dicht te trekken. Misschien laat ik hem ook gewoon open. Een beetje kan lukken. Oh jee.
Ik doe eerst eventjes gewoon de rem een beetje
Ja.
inschrijven.
Je gaat deze auto niet kopen.
Nee.
Weet je het zeker?
Nee, ik ga niet kopen.
Oké.
Hij heeft wel weinig gelopen, 160. Nee, maar de koppeling is slecht, maar maakt het wel.
This is the biggest test of all. If it
Ik kan
survives
niet driften.
Joe.
Ja.
Joe's been in 3 accidents in the past 24 hours. goes on beetje warm.
Praat.
All right, perfect. Perfect. Proven. It works. Tire pressure is good. It's higher now.
Engine sounds sick.
Engine really is sick. And 50, I love it. This one's a keeper.
Nee.
Yeah. This
For,
one's
for someone else.
Yeah.
Until when we sell it. So, at what point do you acknowledge that you have a problem? Not with money, not with drugs, but with cars. Carcane. It's a serious issue.